Solo Journey, a step-by-step English learning adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, solo journey. This phrase is not only common in English conversations but also rich in meaning and symbolism. Let's embark on this learning adventure together. Solo means alone, without others. Journey refers to a trip or an experience, often with a significant personal meaning. Combined, solo journey describes a trip or an adventure undertaken alone. It's often used to describe not only physical travels but also personal, emotional, or spiritual quests done independently. The phrase can be used in various contexts. Physical travel, she embarked on a solo journey across Europe. Personal growth, his solo journey through therapy was transformative. Career path, starting her own business was a solo journey full of challenges and rewards. A solo journey often symbolizes self-discovery and independence. It's about finding out who you are away from the influence of others. It's a journey of growth, resilience, and personal achievement. Going it alone, doing something without help. Finding oneself, discovering one's true identity or desires. A road less traveled, choosing an unconventional path in life. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, solo journey, confidently. Remember, language learning is a journey in itself, sometimes a solo one. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to embark on your linguistic solo journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.